Voilà, je suis arrivé encore. Guess where I am? Well, this is Alane Freund, your HSP travel vlogger, and I am at Le Chateau de Boron. For real, y'all. Trying to scan in a little bit. This is the chateau. I'm spending one night here en route from the beautiful little farm to Chateau, where I will begin my class, which you'll be hearing a lot about. It starts tomorrow afternoon. That's Saturday, since this probably won't be loaded up tonight. Let me take you a little closer. As we approach, we must notice the castle is surrounded by a moat. And these little buildings, guardhouses, are cottages that one can rent for just your family. Let's go look at the front porch. Notice the entrance is a horseshoe staircase. The history says that perhaps it is modeled after the horseshoe staircase at Fontainebleau. Fontainebleau, I believe. I can't remember how to say that in English. I went to check it out today, and it is a smaller version of the same. Legend has it that one of the King Louis, who married a Polish princess, met his in-laws here for a few days when they were here from Poland, because it would have been inappropriate for him to entertain them at Fontainebleau for some reason. So this castle was just built at the end of the 17th century and has been remade many times since then. But this property and the original chateau began in the 12th century. So we are just 7 kilometers de Fontainebleau. So you could stay here. You can get this on Airbnb. You can stay in the main castle or in one of the cottages. I'm in one of the cottages, which I'll show you maybe later. It's quite spectacular. Let's look inside a little bit. This is my key fob, which I think is a very nice touch. And the couple, the family who own this castle, this chateau now, have had it. The wife is a descendant of people who've owned it for several generations. Something like her fourth great-grandmother. So it's been in the family for a long time, and actually it's been owned a lot by women. And the reason is that the family's kept not having male heirs. Here we're looking out the back, which mirrors the horseshoe staircase. And there's the moat all the way around. This looks like a small ballroom, which now they use for meetings. There are paintings of people who lived here, relatives. I really love the old floor and the wallpaper. The book has lots of stories of the histories of all the rooms and some of the antiques in here. I can imagine dancing in this ballroom. I love to dance. It's a little reception desk. And Monsieur, who gave me the tour, brought me in here to the breakfast room, which has antique tapestries on the walls. You're not going to really be able to see them, but they're incredible dark forest scenes, and it just reminds me how dark it was in these castles back in the day. And this is the reading room, and they have some antique furniture in here. One thing I love is they have pictures of the family, the modern family, scattered around as well. Here's some horses just for me. I'm going to just go up these stairs a little bit because I thought this staircase was so beautiful. And in it, you know, the nobility use their castles as hunting lodges. And indeed, there are lots of there's lots of horse art. It's getting too dark for you to see them, but it's really cool. And we'll end this little video with a beautiful picture of the hurry up fish, eat all the mosquitoes. There are fish in there, I doubt you can see. And that is the cottage, which is significantly larger than my own house, in which my room is. And I have a door out to a private terrace. It's quite beautiful. I feel very blessed to get to be here at Chateau du Boron.